today we're going to have a look at the heater control switches for a 997 Gen 1 or a 987 Boxster Cayman Gen 1. As you can see, the switches are probably from factory original. They're all faded, they're all sticky, and they look terrible. So for the price of literally 30 quid plus VAT for a pair of switches and maybe an hour of your own time, or you pay a specialist to fit them, you could have yourself a new set of switches. For that sort of money, there's no reason why you shouldn't really replace them. Right, so all we need to do is we need to take a couple of trims off. You've got one over here, one behind it. You've got the same on the other side. Then we'll be able to pop the control unit out. Once the control unit's out, I'll show you exactly how to take it apart and swap the switches over. So all we need is 30 Torx for the back trim. And then what we're going to need is a smaller Torx for the front trim. And then what we do is we push the trim forward, and then it clips in at the top. You've got to be careful. You've got to be careful, otherwise you could break it off. We've got two clips on the sides. Then you've got some plugs to unclip. Right, so we've got the control unit out. Now we're going to take it apart so that we can replace the switches. You're going to need a T6 Torx. All these screws off. As you can see here, the switches are holding by these little clips. So what we're going to do is get something just to push these away gently so that we can push them down and then slide them. Right, so we're ready to replace the switches. What we're going to do is we're going to use two little flat blade screwdrivers. What we're going to do is stick each little flat blade between the switch, the white bit, and the little ear, the black bit. If you come in close, you can see I'm pushing them all the way to the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the switch down. You'll hear a little click, and then you know that you're almost there. And push the switch down, and voila. So we're going to put the switches back in. We need to make sure that these little buttons, so to speak, are inside before we do that. Okay, just a heads up in case you didn't check before you took it apart. The temperature switch goes on the left hand side. What you're going to do is pop that in. So what you want to do is pop it down on the top, slide it in, and then pop the bottom bit down. Top in first, and then the bottom. And look at that. Right, so as you can see, we fitted the switches. That was nice and easy. We're going to fit the control unit back in the car, test that everything's working as it should do, fit the trims back, in the reverse to the way we took them out. Struggled to say that. And that's it. Nice and easy. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe if you like what you saw. Please hit the like button. We'll definitely be doing some more videos in the future. We're open to suggestions as well, and hopefully see you soon.